Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited because today I'm going to be showing you my new favorite lash product I've ever found. Ever. It is life-changing, and I'm not being dramatic, I'm being like 100% sincere. So if you know me personally, you know that I have had lash extensions on and off since high school, which is like almost 10 years now because I'm getting old apparently. So I have a few issues with lash extensions. One, the cost can be anywhere up to like $120 for a full set of eyelashes, and then fills, which you have to get in between 2 to 5 weeks. And I have the biggest pet peeve when I am in between fills. It literally looks crazy because you have patches everywhere, and so I just get really annoyed and I end up picking them off because I don't like how they're not matching or they're not symmetrical, or it's just not a good look. And another thing is time. I don't have the time to find a babysitter and pay a babysitter and go lay down for 2 hours. Like, I know that for some people it might be really nice to get a little break, get away from, you know, the hectic part of life, but I just don't have that 2 to 3 hours to spare to do this for myself and spend that much money. And then the last thing about this is my eyelashes. They always, I know people say they're not damaged. It depends on your lash artist. It depends on this, it depends on that. But no matter what, my lashes always just were jacked up after. No matter what. I always lost my length. I finally got my length back after getting them off. And so here we are, but I miss them so bad. I love lash extensions because you can just wake up in the morning and you're like, hello, I'm beautiful, like look at me, love me, I am like just beautiful. I woke up like this, Beyonce. So I heard about this product which is called Lashify, and it is a game changer. It's lashes that you can do from home. It's kind of like a strip lash and eyelash extensions had a baby. They got a little hot and heavy and had a baby, and it is Lashify, and I am here for it. So Lashify, basically, I'll show you everything, and I'll do a little demo for you guys. This is only, I've worn them once. I had a full set I did myself the first time for a full week, and they stayed through workouts, through shower. So it was really awesome, and I really liked it because if one did feel like it was coming off, I could like fix it at home, and I didn't have to be like, oh, where's my lash lady? Just like that, you know, because that's how you usually are. So I have been obsessed. So I got the control kit. The control kit is what you need to get started with this whole thing. It is the kit that gives you absolutely everything you need to do your own lashes at home. So this is what it comes in. I'm hiding my address because I know you guys all want to know where I live. And you open it up and it's all in there, but I already took it all out because I already used it. But I'm just going to show you guys. Look at it, like a little tote or something. I don't even know. A little tote bag in there for you. But what it comes with is the control kit, which is this little puppy right here. But what the control kit is this gorgeous little thing. Obviously, I've been using it with my greasy ass paws, apparently. Greasy fingers. I didn't eat pizza or something. I don't know what I ate that made my fingers so greasy, but that's disgusting. But this is it. It looks like this, and when you open it up, it has this perfect mirror, and it goes all the way flat, so you can like, hello, look at yourself to do your lashes. And it comes with 2 sets of lashes, and you can choose the curl, which I'll talk about a little bit later. And then it also comes with the Whisper Light Glue, the claw, I don't remember what it's called, the fuser. I will add it in because I do not remember. Oh, look, a boob light. And then the seal and finish top coat. So basically these are your little cartridges that come with all of your lashes. They are not like individual lashes like when you get lash extensions. They're like little tiny strips. I'll kind of show you. I'll see the little lash strip. So that's what it looks like. And You apply these to the bottom of your lash. I'll show you guys how I apply them. But it is amazing. They stay on so long and I'm absolutely obsessed with them. A little bit about what they come in and what they offer, how you can do them, is they come through an A to a C curl. That just depends on like the volume and the curl of the lash. So I prefer the B lashes and a little bit of the C because I'm a little extra. And so I like to use, I have it, this is C16, so I'll kind of explain. So A's define the curl. I'll show you guys. So A's, they are a little bit more reserved, they're not as in your face. B gets a little more dramatic, and then C is a lot more curly and fluffy. B is the most full in my opinion, which is why I like them the best. So when it comes to the length, they have length anywhere from 10 to 16. 10 being the shortest and 16 being the longest. You can honestly customize your lashes to what you like, which is another thing I really love about it. If you're not feeling the way your lashes look, you can cake them off. These lashes can last anywhere, they say 1 to 3 days, but I had mine last up to 7, and they also have a different bond, which I have too, which is the night bond, which is supposed to make it last up to 10 days. So it just depends on, again, like with you, if you have had fake lashes before or lash extensions before, you know that it varies, and it totally varies on like the season, what you're doing, your activity level. So same thing, it depends on all that too. So I'm gonna just show you guys. I'm gonna put some on for you, show you why I love them so much and how easy they are. This is my second time doing it, so don't judge me. So I'm gonna take the Whisper Light Flexible Bond. It comes in 2 different colors, a white and then a white. I'll show you the tip. It's kind of like a mascara wand. And then a black, which is great for touch-ups in between. You need to like refuse your lashes together. So what you're gonna do, we're gonna start with this eye, which is my right eye, and we're just gonna kind of put it on just like mascara, but you don't want to go to all the way to the top. You want to keep it right at your roots. So just look down and just get those roots coated. This stuff is sticky, so just be careful. Try not to get it on your bottom lashes. Now that we got our first little sticky coat on, we are going to, like, friggin' poke myself in the eye. We're going to take, I'm gonna start, the way I'm gonna do this is like the shortest lash, medium, long lash, and then I'm gonna stack a little bit of the longs in the middle. So what I'm gonna do is just, I take this little fusey thingy, this little claw, and we're gonna take one of our, it's nice because the little things are like, they tell you if it's a right or a left. So we're gonna just take that. You can see I have the lash right there, and it goes on the underside of your eyelash, which I think helps preventing damage to your lash, which I love. So you're gonna take it and put it right above your waterline. You just want to make sure that you're not on your waterline, or else they will not stick. And I personally like to fuse as I go. So like put one on, fuse it. And fusing just means you like just squish the lash like this. Sandwich it in. But voila, there you go. There's our first lash. Now I'm gonna take my bigger lashes, the more thick ones, the longer. So this is a 12. I'm gonna be now using 14s on the rest of my eye until the very end. So again, you just grab it and throw it on there. Away from the waterline. I try to line mine up so you can't like really tell, but nobody's gonna really be looking at your lashes from the bottom anyway, so. Depends on what you're looking for. Okay, let's speed this up. Oh my gosh, I'm so sorry. Hello. Okay, there we go. I'm so sorry. My camera died halfway through that, so I put my other one on. Look at that. I did that all by myself, you guys. Are you so proud of me? I'm proud of me. Literally anybody can do this. It's so easy. If you know how to pinch and place, then you're good. So I'm just going to show you guys how to finish it off. I already did it to this side, but I'm just going to go through and just make sure all my lashes are fused. So you just pretty much like smush them. And then I'm going to go like this, put it over the whole thing. Ooh, there's a baby that wants to come in here. And fuse it. And that's it. That's all you do. I like to go through and just do little tiny sandwich like fuses. So like that. And just squeeze. Squeeze. So all the way throughout. And then once you're done fusing, you're gonna go and take your seal and finish coat. And this will take that stick away from your glue. So here it is. Voila! Look down for you so you guys can see. Crazy, right? Voila! Here they are. Aren't they so pretty? I like them because they don't look as like heavy. They're like super fluffy. I love fluffy eyelashes, so fluffier the better. So I can just go out just like this and I don't feel super naked. Love it. Absolutely obsessed. You're going to, I need some chapstick. You're going to want to treat these exactly like you would. I'm gonna brush through them. So you're gonna want to treat these exactly like you would lash extensions. Be very kind to them. Avoid water when you can, and steam. And another thing, just to keep up the maintenance with them, you're going to be wanting to diffuse whenever you can. Just fuse it when you're just chilling. How cool is that? You can do your own lash extensions at home now. I'm absolutely obsessed. If you want a coupon code for 20% off your control kit, hit the link in my description. It's so worth it, you guys. Like, imagine, add up how much it costs to get your lashes done, and then like the time, the travel, all of that. It is literally a fraction of the cost, and you can do it by yourself. Amazing! I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions about Lashify, throw them in the comments below. I would love to help. And if you did like this video, if you would like to see me do like some custom eye looks or custom lash looks, let me know. I'd love to do that. You guys are the best. Thank you so much for watching. Again, I'll show you a little before and after. Before and after. Isn't that amazing? Amazing. And I did it all from home in literally like 20 minutes. Save you time, save you money, save you sanity. I got you, girl. I'm always on the hunt for like the next big thing for you guys, so don't even worry. I will see you guys next time.